Hi there, this is Avalon from Crafts Direct, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make this rainbow dream board. I love this project because I am currently kind of obsessed with rainbows and I can't get enough of them. And I also thought this project is kind of fun because you can be really intentional with it if you want and make it an actual dream board where you write down some hopes and dreams and you can put it right on the board. Otherwise, if you want, you can also use it as a place to hang up pictures. Follow along and I will show you step by step how you can make this project. The first thing you're going to do is grab your 12 by 12 cork tile and your die cut paper with rainbows. You'll lay the paper on top of the corkboard and then secure it with some painter's tape. We are going to be using this die cut paper as a stencil, and so we don't want it to move while we're painting, so do your best to attach the paper to the corkboard with the tape. Once the paper is secured on and isn't moving, you will then grab your paint and some paintbrushes and you are going to begin to stencil. Alternate all 4 colors so that each rainbow has a sort of unique combination. You can always go back and add more paint, but to help prevent sort of leak-throughs with the paint and the stencil, I start with less paint and then you can always go back and add more. Once you have stenciled on all of the rainbows, you will let it dry completely before removing the tape and the stencil. You then can go back in with some more paint to smooth out some lines and make any corrections that you may need. There may be some parts that are kind of dull. I know that happened to me, and so I just added another layer of paint just to help bolden it up a little bit. Next, you will go in with white Sharpie and you will draw in between the arches of the rainbow with the white Sharpie. This really just helps give the rainbows this little extra oomph. Take your wooden banner and you will paint the front and the sides of it in the blue paint. Let it dry completely and then you're going to want to add a second coat of paint as well. Grab your frame and you will want to take out the back of it. You're also going to want to remove the glass as well. You will then take your cork tile with the painted rainbows on it and insert it into the frame. Add some glue to the back of the wooden banner and then place it at the top of the frame. Lay out your stickers to spell out "Dream On," and you'll first want to gently place them on the banner just to get a feel of where you want them to go before you adhere them completely to the wooden banner. The last thing you will do is write down some dreams or maybe some goals, and you will add them to your corkboard, and then it is ready to be displayed. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can shop all the supplies needed to make this project at craftsdirect.com/projects.